In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a jungle text effect in Canva. This is a fun and creative way to make your text stand out with a unique and eye-catching design, perfect for posters, social media posts, and more. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Canva's website at canva.com. If you haven't logged in already, make sure to do so. Having an account lets you save your work and access all the cool features Canva offers. Once you're logged in, it's time to get started on creating your masterpiece. Begin by clicking on the Create button. In the search bar that appears, type landscape and select poster landscape. This format gives us the perfect wide canvas to work with for our jungle text effect. Next, click on Uploads, select the jungle image you want to work with, and upload it to Canva. Once uploaded, right-click on the image and choose Set Image as Background. This will stretch the image to cover the entire canvas, perfectly setting the stage for our design. Now, let's add another page to our project by clicking on Add Page. You'll want this second page to have a sleek black background, so click on Background Color and choose Black. This will help the text stand out while we work on it. Switch over to Text in the Canva sidebar and click on Add a Heading. This will add a text box where you can type in whatever message or word you want to transform with the jungle effect. Once you've typed in your text, go ahead and change the font to something bold and rugged, like Zomi Rough Bold. This type of font is ideal for creating a strong, impactful look against the jungle background. Make any necessary adjustments by dragging the corners to resize your text until it fits just right. With the foundation set, it's time to add some jungle elements to weave into your text. Click on Elements, type Trees into the search bar, and hit Enter. Browse the graphics that come up and choose one that complements your design. Once you have your element, duplicate it so you can surround and integrate these tree graphics into your text, giving it that immersive jungle feel. When you're satisfied with how it looks, it's time to save this creation. Click Share, then Download, and make sure to select only page 2, the one you just worked on. Click Done and proceed with downloading the file. After your design finishes downloading, head back to the upload section and re-upload this new file onto Canva. Drag and drop this image onto your original jungle-themed background on page 1. With it now in place, click on Edit Image followed by BG Remover. This clever tool will remove any background from your text image, leaving you with just the jungle text effect. Finally, resize the image as needed to fit your beautiful jungle backdrop. And there you have it. You've just created a dynamic and engaging jungle text effect using Canva. This technique is quite effective in adding vibrancy to your projects. Thanks for following along and happy designing.